In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin folders to quick access in Google Drive. Whether you're managing numerous documents or simply want to ensure your most important files are always at your fingertips, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Open your browser and search Google Drive, or simply type in drivegoogle.com to navigate there directly. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your Google account. You should see the main dashboard where all your files and folders are typically displayed. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the My Drive section, which houses all the files and folders associated with your account. You'll want to select the folder that you intend to pin for quick access. Hover over that folder, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing next to the folder name. This is Google's way of consolidating additional options for each file and folder. Clicking those 3 dots reveals a drop-down menu offering a variety of actions. Look for the option labeled Organize and give it a click. By doing this, you're essentially choosing to mark this particular folder, enhancing its visibility and accessibility within your Drive account. Now, to truly pin the folder, there's a simple yet crucial step. You'll need to star this folder. In the same drop-down menu from earlier, you should see an icon resembling a star somewhere near the options. Clicking this star will effectively pin the folder, marking it as a favorite. Starring is a convenient way to highlight important folders, making them speedily accessible regardless of their location in the Drive's hierarchy. With that done, you might be wondering how to view these starred folders moving forward. Head back to the main menu on the left side of your Google Drive screen and locate the Starred section. Clicking this will display a curated list of all items that you've previously starred, including the folder you just pinned. It's a neat and orderly way to organize and quickly reach your most frequently accessed files. By following these steps, you can ensure that the folders you use the most are always just a click away, saving you time and effort as you navigate through Google Drive. Remember, effective organization is key to productivity, especially when handling numerous digital assets. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy a more streamlined Google Drive experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more